So I want to tell you about this book, but first let me tell you about me. My name is Marion Bevington and I'm a yoga teacher, I'm a coach, I'm a mentor. I help people to change their lives for the better. And I only know how to do that because I've changed my life for the better. I used to program computers and now I deprogram people, because it's those programs that we have running from society, from parents, from television, from all over the place. Those programs get in the way of you being you. So how do you uninstall those programs? How do you update your apps? Because you've got loads of them. So how do you update them? Well, we can update 38 of them, or maybe more, because this book, the Transformational Lessons, is written by 38 people from around Europe, and I think one of them's from Canada too, but 38 people who've got great wisdom, and their wisdom has come through their personal experiences, their life experiences that have absolutely transformed the way that they live and the life that they live. And I'm one of the people who's written a chapter in this book, and it's such a great honour to be an author in this book, because having a community of people to support you when you are seen as a leader or you're the person that people rely on, having people to support you is absolutely crucial, because when people do rely on you, it's important that you can support them, right? But if that's you, who supports you? So if you need support, there are 38 great lessons in this book. One of them's mine, and it's called Oozing Juicy Joy. And that's what my life is about now. It's about learning how to ooze juicy joy, but it's my juice. It's my joy. And I'd love to share with you how to ooze your juicy joy too. So these 38 lessons are absolutely phenomenal, because I think there's one for everybody. So whatever it is that you need help with right now, whoever or whatever support you need right now, if you can't find the right person to support you, then I know that there's something in this book that's going to help you. It's full of just amazing stories and really enlightening information that will help you to transform your life too.